Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the HP SmartTank 5000. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Set it up once and print with confidence. No complicated maintenance. Just easy, reliable printing you can count. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Ink for years. Not months. Up to 2 years of ink included. Get thousands of pages of cartridge-free printing. More. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Keeps printing well after competitors have quit. No complex maintenance. Sharper text, richer colors, too, only with. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are top-rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the HP SmartTank 5000 looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.